and when not to jump.
Alright, let's play.
Okay. See the little guy running? He's picking all the coins up. Now he goes up on top of the subway and he jumps. Then he goes over and gets all the coins, so he gets more money.
Oh, this is my friend over here. He's actually narrating. He's narrating everything, and I'm playing the game.
And then you go through the tunnel. You gotta be careful. I got some more coins. Go in the middle of the two boxcars. Go to the right. Go to the left.
And you can touch the letters.
Watch out. Jump. Jump. Out. Whoa. You got crashed.
Oh my gosh, what's lagging? Oh my. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Ba-ba-da-da-ba-bop. Ba-ba-da-da-bop. Ba-ba-da-da-bop. Ba-ba-da-bop. Ba-ba-da-bop.
What is that?
Ba-ba-da.
Oh, it's flying machine.
Oh, look.
Look at that. That's cool. Look at that far. You're in the city.
Oof. I've been in the city the entire time. I think we should end this video early.
Yeah, right after this. When you get crashed again.
When I get crashed again, we'll end this video.
Okay. Like right now.
No. Stop. You're messing me up. You know I'm going to end these
It's 3 minutes.
Oh God. Okay, we got it.
Oh.
Alright guys, see you later.